Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm going to do a little bit of Happy Mail share this morning, and then we're going to do some tutorials today. So I got a package a while ago, and it is from Withy, with W-I-T-H-E-Y, D Withy. And what she says basically in here is she worked for as a nurse for a lot of years, and she bought up craft supplies in the hopes that when she retired she would have the time to play around with them. Well, now she's retired and she says she has no money to play. So anyway, long story short, she sent me 2 huge boxes of goodies. I have dug through them, but I'm not going to show them all on here because it is so much. I mean, they were huge. So it would take me all day to show each piece on here. But so thank you so much, Dee. I will definitely use a lot of these, and some of them I will probably share if you don't mind. And she said she didn't mind if I shared with some people. So that is from Dee. Let's see. This is from Steinler Family in Grand Rapids, looks like. And I'm not going to show her address if I can help it on here. I'm just going to pull everything out of the package. And let's see what she might have said. Lorraine Steinler. That's her name. Steindler. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Happy Mail. I really appreciate your channel and lessons. Hope you can use these in your future projects. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's textured. I don't know if she painted that or if it's like that in the paper. That is neat. Thank you so much. I'll definitely try to use it. And then she sent me some vintage book pages, looks like. More vintage book pages. I love the feel of these. These older ones, they feel more like material than they do books. I love those. And I like the size of these. I don't have any that are big like this. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And then this envelope that she made. How cute is that? Cute. And then looks like some maps. There's Yellowstone, Colorado, Baltimore. Yeah, Baltimore. And then here is a work basket old book. Here's some children's book pages. Those are neat. I don't have any of those, so that will be fun to play with. And then, let's see. Looks like some patterns, so we'll definitely be using those. And then just some pieces, looks like that she has made. Look at that giraffe, that's cute. Alright. Oh, look at that. That's cute. And a lot of these are made on chipboard, so don't say that you don't have something to make something out of, because you can use just plain chipboard from your pantry. And there's some doilies. Those are cute. And another piece of a children's book. Alright, so that is from Lauren Steinler. So thank you, Lauren. Thank you so much for sending us that. Okay, we got this little package, and let's see, who is it from? I don't know if it even tells me on the outside. I think it just has my address on there. Let's see. Nope. Alright, so we'll just see if there's a card in here. I think there's a card right here. Oh, this is a thick card. Happy Holidays. It's from Diane Christie. Thank you, Diane. That's a beautiful card. Oh, she sent some little, these are like little charms, I guess. Those are cute. And then some pieces. Those are really cute. Those look like die cuts. And then these are kind of that epoxy type stuff, I think. Some beautiful cutouts for Christmas cards and Christmas projects. Some of those will probably go in my Christmas journals. And then a lot of these, I think everybody is making these now. These are so cute. These little fold pockets. Look at that. They're really cute. And you start out, I think, with a circle, if I'm not mistaken. You start out with a circle, and she's put some patterns in here. Yeah. See, that's just a circle. And then you fold it here and here and here. And then you cut in on these little places. Fold those back. And that, let's see. Well, I don't remember. There we go. Like that. And it makes little pockets. So that is neat. Thank you for sending all of those. And then some washi tape. Some Christmas washi tape. I don't have very much Christmas washi tape. And then it says, let's see, in this bag, ribbon and lace, washi tape, Christmas trees, embellishments I cut out from pockets if you want to use them. So this is trims and laces, looks like. And then some embellishments here. Let's see. I am going to put the embellishments in this other bag, and we'll put the trims and laces in my bag that has the trims and laces in it. Wow, look at these. These are cute. Little cutouts for Christmas, and there's some Christmas words. Very cute. Thank you so much. I'm going to put those in this bag right here. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. And let me find the card again. This is from Diane, and here, oops, she sent a letter too, and I didn't even read it. Christmas journal. Okay, she made for my Christmas journal. Thank you for sharing your beautiful ideas. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Diane. I will definitely use those. Don't you worry. But isn't that card pretty? That's a good idea for a card. Look at that. Okay, so thank you, Diane. I appreciate that. Okay, then we got this package yesterday, and this is from Mary Swetlick. I hope I said that right this time, Mary. I know you always print it out how I'm supposed to say it. I have a problem. I don't want to say it wrong, so I'm always real careful. Look at this. Merry Christmas, Miss E. Oh, how sweet. Look at that. Pure honey. There's sugar. Oh, it's a little gift bag. That's a neat idea for craft fairs. Warm hugs. So I think it's tea. And then you can put all of these other things in it if you want. So isn't that sweet? That's nice. And this is to Mr. Whit. Oh my goodness, he'll love that. There's cocoa and marshmallows. And then I think this is one of those spoons that dissolves and it's peppermint, if I'm not mistaken. That is sweet. Thank you. He'll love that. He'll probably be drinking it in a few minutes for your grandbaby. Oh, thank you. Brooklyn will love this. She loves pencils. Any kind of pencil that has an unusual top on it or an unusual pencil, she loves. I will definitely give that to her. Thank you so much. And let's see. You are an inspiration. Oh, thank you. Look at that card. Now that is neat. Is that not? Look at that. How that is folded. Oh my goodness. That is a good idea. I'm thinking about a journal page folded like that. Let's see. I wanted to tell you how much I appreciate your videos. I've had to learn a lot from you. I love your stories. You always somehow lift my spirits after watching you. Sometimes I will go and rewatch your previous videos. Thank you so much. I do a lot of card making and love many different dies and stamps. I went through them and cut out bits and pieces that I thought you can use in your journals. I also made you some Christmas pieces. I hope I am not too late. No, you're definitely not too late. If you can't use them, then toss them. I would never ever toss them. Also, I found some bling. I hope it is the right kind that you use. Well, take care and keep up the fabulous work. I want to take a road trip to Alabama sometime in the spring. Maybe I can stop by and say hi. Oh, that is so sweet. Yes, let me know when you're coming down. We'll see what we can do. All right, so put that there. Put this here for Brooklyn, because she will definitely be looking for something if I tell her that she got a package. She took those, that sheet of cutouts with her. They spent the night, Friday night, or Saturday night, and she took those cutouts with her that one of you had sent, and she was so happy. She said, I can't wait to get home and cut them out and put them on my wall. Her dad said, now wait a minute, I don't know if you're going to put them on your wall or not. I said, well, why don't you just put them in a book, in a little journal book? So I gave her one, so I'm sure she's probably going to do that, because I don't think Dad's going to let her stick them to her wall. Oh, look at these tins. Oh, my goodness. And they're filled with all kind of cutouts. How neat. Look at that. Oh, those are really pretty. I'll definitely use some of those, Mary. Oh, my goodness. And I love these tins. The tins are always very useful. Oh, yes, that is the right kind of bling. Oh, wow. I don't know where that come from. Oh, look at that. Now I have lots and lots of bling. Thank you. This is like opening Christmas presents. I love Christmas presents. We don't usually get each other anything for Christmas. My husband and I, we get make sure the kids have stuff, but I love watching them open presents. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. Now those are not easy to cut out, I know, but those are going to be very useful. Thank you so much. I have to label these little tins so I'll know. Ooh, look at those. Thank you. Those are so neat. I can't believe you spent all this time cutting all this out for me. This little tin is sweet. Oh my goodness. Those are so neat. I love them, and I will definitely use them in my journals. That one, I think you have decoupage to the top, maybe? That's pretty. Okay. And I can't save the paper, sorry, so I've got to tear into it real quick. I got to tear into it. Oh my goodness. This is a ton of cutouts. I'm not going to pull them all the way out because I never get them back in here, but look at that. Did you cut all of these out by hand? My goodness, woman. I can't believe you did all this. Look at all that. How cute. Let's see if I can pull them out just a little bit so you can see some of them. Look at that. She has tons of bags here of these. All different kinds. Look at that. Thank you so much. I can't believe you did all this. I think you can see those through there. Ooh, look. I'm going to do them that way. Then I won't get any of them mixed up or lose them. I have to pull these out a little bit though. Oh my goodness. These are going to be so fun to use. I have a few dies, but I just don't have the time to sit and cut things out. Ooh, dragonflies. I love those. This looks like a big sunflower. Oh, look at that. Those are so cute. Thank you so much. I'll definitely be using those. What I'll do is just label these and I'll put them down in my little ephemera journal, and then I'll know what I have there. Oh my goodness, and this is more. Oh, and she has made little envelopes out of vellum. Look at this. Oh, now this is a great idea. Look at that. Oh, those are neat. These are, if I'm not mistaken, the little wildflowers. And then there's the branch. Look at that. And she made the envelopes just to fit. That's a great idea to keep these from getting mixed up, because they get mixed up easy. I know. Look at that. That is so neat, Mary. You took a lot of time with this. Those are pretty. You'll see me using lots of these. Lots and lots. Thank you so much, Mary. That is so, so sweet. All right, let me put this aside, and I think I have one more. Okay, this is from Carol, and let's see. She loved the number 6 envelope series offering the tiny tags bugged her, so she had to change them a little bit. And she started wrapping the whole envelope in one piece of striped paper, then made triangle tags to have more room. I think it turned out cute. It really did turn out cute. Look at that. That is very cute. I love that. And let's see what she says here. I have really enjoyed your series on using junk mail envelopes. We found these envelopes while helping friends clean out their house before moving. I couldn't think of anything to do with them, but if anyone can, you can. Oh my goodness, I don't know about that. Look how huge these are. Now, I don't know that I have ever seen an envelope this big before. This is huge. I can't even open it all the way up. This is huge. Oh my goodness. Well, I probably will cut it up, truthfully, and use, because this is a good quality paper. It's almost like a chipboard thickness, so that's probably what I'll do, Carol. But thank you for thinking of me, and you did a great job on that tag. Okay, I think that is all of the Happy Mail right now. So now I'm going to go. I've got to print some Etsy shares, and then I'll come back and do an Etsy share, and then we're going to come back this afternoon and do a tutorial. So thank you guys so much. It's so sweet of all of you for thinking of me and sending me gifts. You don't have to, but I really appreciate each and every one of them. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.